Hi, my name's Anna, and this is my version of commerce. Okay, we don't have anything to see at the moment, so let's log in and create some listings. And let's get an image. And let's say our starting bid is £10. There we go. So category garments, great for sneaking into libraries, current price £10, 0 bids so far. And we've got the option to close the auction because we listed it. We can add it to our watch list. So it'll now be here. And we can also remove it. And also if we click on my listings, because we created it, we can get to it from here. Let's add it. We can also see it from active listings. And we can also see it from categories. We've only got garments at the moment because we've only got this one item. So let's log out for the time being. Log in as someone else. Okay, so let's say we take a fancy to this cloak. Let's try bidding not quite enough. Okay, so it doesn't like that, so let's bid 25 pence more. Okay, there we go. Now the current price is £10.25. One bid so far, your bid is the current bid. And we can add a comment. There we go. Nice cloak. And let's create a listing of our own. There we go. And we can add it to our watch list. And it's also in the active listings. Okay, let's again, let's bid not quite enough. Okay, and we can also comment. Okay, we're gonna confiscate this cloak. You can see here now that we're not logged in, so we can't bid on it and we can't comment on it, but we can still see the categories. So if we log in as, we can now close the auction, and now it's sold for £10.50. It says this listing is now closed. And if we log back in as Hermione, we can now see that it's under 1 auctions, and it says you won this auction. It's also no longer in active listings or categories. And if we log in as Ron, it's not under 1 auctions, and we actually can't find it anymore. Okay, so we sneakily got in. So it says this listing is now closed, but you didn't win it. Okay, and let's go to the admin view. Okay, so we can see the listings, the bids, and the comments. Let's create a listing. Ginny wants to create a listing for a magic mirror. We don't have an image at the moment, so we'll just have the default image. And the starting bid is, we'll just start at 0. Let's save that. Let's create a bid. Let's say Harry can't access the website for some reason and he wants to bid on this mirror. And let's say he wants to bid £5. This is in pence. So let's delete this comment. Let's edit this one. Okay, so there is now a magic mirror with default image, and we can click into it. Current price is £5, 1 bid so far, so that should be, so it's listed by Jenny, the category is other, and yeah, your bid is the current bid. If we go to my listings, we can still see the cloak of invisibility, and we can also see that this comment has been updated and the other one has disappeared. Okay, well, that was my version of commerce. Thanks for watching.